Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Mickey Mouse animated lamp, and this is Melanie's equipment from New York, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now we have a note with this unit, and it says that the lamp does not turn on at all. So we want to troubleshoot this unit and make our repairs. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We're going to go ahead and get some still pictures of this really cool lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we want to show a little bit about what's going on. Now, we've troubleshooted Mickey, and we do have the lamp on, but I want to show what we found. There is a main PC board that takes care of the functions that Mickey goes through, and we want to go ahead and show you the issue we found. So we're going to have to move this around.
What a bright idea!
So we have an open on this main PC board.
What a bright idea!
Now what we want to do is troubleshoot further into this main PC board for the functions and find out where the open is. And we will probably have to resolder the entire board. So we'll do that one more time.
What a bright idea!
So that's our issue, and we're going to go ahead and finish up our troubleshooting and make our repairs. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now we have the unit plugged in, and there is a switch at the rear of the base of this Mickey Mouse lamp, and you always want to make sure that that switch is in the off position when plugging in or unplugging Mickey. So what we want to do now is go ahead and turn the switch on.
What a bright idea!
Now what we can do is go ahead and turn Mickey off.
Lights out!
And we want to wait a second because the electronics that are associated with Mickey are very delicate, and we want to go ahead and wait a little bit before we turn the lamp on and off real quickly. So we'll go ahead and turn Mickey back on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
And we'll give that a second. We'll turn Mickey off.
So long, pal.
Mickey has a lot of really cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. We'll go ahead and turn Mickey back on.
Ah, that's better.
We'll give that a second. Turn Mickey off.
See you real soon.
And then we'll turn Mickey on one last time.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp has been repaired, we can return him to Melanie and they can enjoy this lamp again. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great no matter where he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.